So now we go to catalog number 7.
Yeah, Grindelwald comes to us. A gelding by Grey Flanell, Mother Charmeur, and then Sandro hit. And like Francois said, Grey Flanell is also, if I said before, if I have to name 5 horses in my career, for sure Grey Flanell is one of those horses. I know that there are maybe some rumors about Grey Flanell. It's a direct Gribaldi, and then further in the pedigree comes also Ferro. But this horse, Grey Flanell, is for me really a genius still. I rode him when he was 3, 4 and 5, and we won the Pavo Cup in Ermelo, the stallion competition, and for sure he has a character, but we had it in the right way, and there was, yeah, I get nearly kind of goosebumps when I remember back, and I think he gives it to his offsprings too. Grindelwald is one of them, and they have this natural cadence in them and the possibility to shine when they have to shine, and I really like that. And then in combination with Charmeur, Dutch bloodline, and Sandrohit, which is always good, especially to have on the mother side. But like we can see now a little bit, he's for sure not naughty, but he is also a character, and in a good way. Evelyn can handle him very well, and I really like him.
Yeah, and Evelyn also likes the Grey Flanells a lot. She has a sponsorship from family Bergmann, and they got last year the horse Global Power, and I think Global Power we also will see in the future big sport.
Yeah. Canter also very uphill, good through the body, clear beat. Good. And also Evelyn is one of our talents in our team. She finished now the U25 season, but she's doing her step into the big sport now for the seniors, and she won this year already some international Grand Prix on 4-star level, and we try to support her as much as we can, and she fits completely super in our team, and
I think she's ranked now 55 in the world.
Yeah.
So it's very good for a 25-year-old. It's a big achievement. You see this directly there. Super.
Doesn't matter, but in the corner you saw already when Evelyn was only touching him a little bit with the whip as assistance, how closed he got from behind, and the movement got even more under the gravity. So